Hello everyone, I'm Dea Marwati, a student of Mathematics Education at Jakarta State of University. In this opportunity, I will discuss about what is mathematics. People say that math is a difficult subject to learn, just counting and memorizing formulas. If we've been thinking about it since elementary school until now, it's just like that. It means that all this time we've made a big mistake. Yes, we've seen it wrong. That's what makes math at school seems to turn into a scary monster, forcing us to count numbers or look for X that is missing somewhere. This is all that makes us tormented every time we study math. In fact, mathematics is much more than that. So now is the time for us to know more about the true figure of the monster. A figure that is not scary but is actually beautiful but is hidden all around us. Because by knowing this field of study, it means that we know the language to study the universe and its contents, tracing the traces of the secrets of the world that are scattered everywhere, and that will only happen if we consider it more than more calculation and formulas. Get ready to solve the mysteries of the world through math. Try asking your father where he keeps the toolbox. Take it and then look at the tools that are in it one by one. We can see that their different forms of course also have different functions and uses. Some are simple, but some are very sophisticated and can lift objects many times their weight. Consciously or not, the box is math. Yes, mathematics is like a tool city containing 1,000 tools that have millions of uses. These are the tools that researchers in any field use to solve the problems we face in the world, from the smallest to the super complex giant problem. If you haven't figured it out, try taking this 1K. It can open the bolts on the damaged part of your bicycle, on the truck, or even tighten the same bolts to make the parts of the house strong. If in mathematics, take this number as an example. The number or the term is a very famous mathematical constant. This is P, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Because of this P, we can know how big a pizza is or even how big the world is. Because, believe it or not, no matter how big the circle is, the number will stay the same, and that allows us to make and measure other circles in our lives by using this number in the calculation process. That's simple math. It is a universal language whose meaning can be understood and agreed upon by everyone in the world. Sophisticated language composed by logic that makes it a tool that we can use to solve almost any problem we have, past, present, and even future. But it's not that easy to find. Humans need tens of thousands of years to be able to understand mathematics. It all started when numbers and the concept of counting problems did not yet exist in the human head. Then they observed the phenomena around them and realized that there were repeated events, then recorded them line by line, becoming the starting point for arithmetic, the science of numbers. Until finally, the Sumerians replaced the lines into number symbols. They implement a base 60 number system which they used to calculate time, trade, built the Mesopotamian civilization, and developed the origins of another branch of mathematics, geometry. Arithmetic and the theory of numbers are growing. In this era, the Greek philosophers developed logic, a way of thinking to reach agreement on truth. Then Plato observed all the elements that exist on Earth and interpreted them in three-dimensional forms. This thought reached Euclid from Alexandria, who later studied and recorded in 13 books on geometry, a collection of books that are still relevant today. until finally humans leveled up in counting. The Romans created a numbering system through the alphabet. Problems then arise. The numbers they have turned out to have limitations. They have difficulty calculating super large number. How do they handle it? It was the discovery of the number zero that changed everything. This spherical object has a very important role that makes mathematical progress accelerate. Humans can finally calculate much larger and more complex. From here, algebra was born in the plains of the Middle East, and the genius scientist Al-Khwarizmi who discussed abstract ideas and summarized words into formulas for mathematical equations. His knowledge was then brought far to Europe. There the world is changing rapidly, as fast as an apple that falls from a tree branch. This phenomenon was observed by Isaac Newton, great thinker who later invented calculus, a way to measure how much change occurs in things. By means of this measurement, mathematics helped other fields of science develop rapidly, creating the industry that became the beginning of modern civilization. And now, after observing the space in the universe, humans then create their own world, what they built with the numbers 0 and 1. Mixing all the mathematical discoveries of previous era and mixing them with new discoveries in the modern era. Make prediction and create endless opportunities for new discoveries in the future.